How to turn off media visibility on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable media visibility in WhatsApp so your downloaded photos and videos don't show up in your phone gallery. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply select settings. And once you are in your settings, simply scroll down and tap on chats. Now here in this section, simply find media visibility and just toggle it off. And after that, your WhatsApp media stays inside WhatsApp and won't clutter your gallery. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.